Welcome to Section 5 of our Snapchat marketing video training. In this section, we will show you how to skyrocket your results by advertising on Snapchat, and we'll show you some proven Snapchat marketing techniques. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Skyrocket your advertising results on Snapchat. One of the wonderful things about Snapchat is that they have already given the ability to advertise its entire database of Snapchatters to businesses and marketers with a few clicks of your mouse. At www.snapchat.com/ads, you'll be able to advertise your storytelling in a snap. Something very important for you to consider is that Snapchat reaches 41% of all 18 to 34-year-olds in the United States, which is a lot. Every day, over 100 million people use Snapchat to snap with family, see events from around the world, watch stories from friends, and read content from top publishers. Snapchat users watch over 10 billion videos per day. You'll find various kinds of ads on Snapchat, each of them meant to help you achieve your goals. Snap Ads. Snap Ads offer you the best video ads you can think of, with the choice to add an interactive element below. They begin with an up to 10-second full-screen video ad that appears in the context of other snaps. When Snapchatters swipe up, they can observe content like a long-form video, article, app install ad, or mobile website. The swipe-up rate for Snap Ads is 5 times higher than the average click-through rate on other major platforms. Sponsored Geofilters. Whether your campaign covers a major event, a specific location, or every mall in the country, Geofilters enable brands to take part in the millions of snaps sent each day on Snapchat. There are tiny pieces of art that are meant to make an impression. When Snapchatters take a snap, they'll be able to observe your geofilter and use it to explain when, where, and why they took the snap. Generally, in the U.S., a single national sponsored geofilter can reach 40 to 60% of daily Snapchatters. Sponsored Lenses. Sponsored lenses provide more than just an impression. They offer playtime, which Snapchatters can spend playing with the interactive ad you've designed. To activate them, Snapchatters simply need to press a button and focus the camera on their faces. Some lenses include prompts like "raise your eyebrows" to trigger an animation, which adds a fun twist to the experience. Once you're done playing, it's easy to send lenses to a friend or post one to your story. Snapchatters play with a sponsored lens for 20 seconds on average. Success Stories. If you would like to see these 3 Snapchat advertising services with funny names work, you can take a look at the Success Stories area. You'll be surprised. For example, Red, by using the national geofilter, invited millions of Snapchatters to join RED, the fight against AIDS, in a new, creative, and innovative way. Their intention was to raise money and awareness, in the millions, by tapping into Snapchat's young and active community. At the same time, they let Snapchatters show and wear their social good cred. What Red did was globally deployed 3 one-day-only rotating geofilters that Snapchatters could apply onto their snaps. They collaborated with Jared Leto, Tiesto, and Jimmy Kimmel in creating each geofilter. Finally, they showed the power of social action with a $3 donation to fight AIDS for every geofilter sent. The cost of 10 days of life-saving HIV/AIDS medicine. Red reached over 14 million Snapchatters with the campaign, 97% of whom were between the ages of 13 and 34. Those who saw the filter were 90% more likely to donate.